Hey guys, thanks for stopping by here. This is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com. Hope you guys had a great holiday weekend and enjoyed some fireworks and some family time. I know I sure did. So we're going to take a look at the gold daily chart here. So first, I'm going to brag on the major call that I made. And hopefully you guys have been watching the videos that I've been doing on gold, because I've been bullish basically this entire run since we started down here. But this last move, I called for a huge upside move. And if you don't believe me, guys, if you're just watching this video, if you're meeting me for the first time, don't take my word for it. Go back, watch the videos that I made back here. Let's see, so at the end of May, like May 30th, May 23rd through the 30th. Watch the videos I did on gold in that period of time, calling for an upside move on gold. So I'm going to quickly go over why we called for an upside move here, and then I'm going to work my way on to exactly what's going on right now in gold and how you can make money on what's going on right now. Okay, so first and foremost, gold was in an uptrend. Okay, this is an uptrend right here. All right, you can see that clearly. All right, so we had a couple bounces there, and here we are bouncing off that trend line. Okay, very, very clear. All right, the next thing that I want to bring to your attention is that we were hovering around the Fibonacci retracement level right here between about the 38.2 and 50% Fibonacci retracement level right around here. So this uptrend was very much so intact. Okay, the next thing I kind of want to mention, I'm going to remove that Fibonacci just to kind of clean the chart up. The next thing I want to mention too is that we had this huge pattern here, right here. Okay, this huge falling wedge, bull flag, whatever you want to call it, doesn't really matter. And forming, and I mentioned that previously. This isn't hindsight trading. This is all stuff that I talked about in these videos that I made back here, calling for that upside move. The other reason that I called for that upside move, I'll kind of zoom in here a little bit, was we had this level here that we kept tinkering with. Okay, boom, 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 breaking below it, breaking above it, breaking below it, breaking above it. And I said this time, this is going to be the level that we finally break out and hold above it. And that's when we finally broke out. Now I want to kind of pull out to 10 years, all right? 10 years. And you can see the recent action right here. I'm just going to go to the weekly chart. And again, guys, after I discuss this, I am going to be zooming into the more recent action. So don't worry, I'm going to get to that. So what we have here is a huge break over this trend line. All right, and if you notice here, guys, this is virtually sideways trading. Okay, yeah, we've seen some big moves here on the daily chart, and you can see that. And you know, if you've caught these moves, you've made a lot of money. But to just put it into perspective, when you look at the longer term chart, you can see that, for example, I'll just move my face out of the way. For example, you can see that the trend that we've seen here the last couple weeks is nothing compared to what it can be. Okay, look at this trend over here. Huge move up. I mean, this is like 10, 15 times the move that we made over here. This is just a little tiny move compared to this move. So the reason that I'm telling you that, or pointing that out, is because to help you realize that gold can make a huge, huge move here. Okay? The move that we've already seen is nothing in comparison to the potential. And keyword is potential. Okay? Nothing is written in stone. Even though I called for that huge bounce and huge move in gold, it wasn't written in stone. Nothing is 100% certain. Just the probabilities favor that. Just like right now, the probabilities are favoring an even bigger upside move in gold. But it doesn't mean that it's written in stone. Okay, And even if we came back down to about 126 on GLD, that would just be a retest of this trend line breakout. Okay, so we broke over that trend line. This can get moving a lot bigger than where we're at. Okay, I think we can head up on GLD up to this resistance up here at about 154. Okay, it was previous resistance. Boom, 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 boom. Broke it, and we haven't tested it yet. I definitely think that we can come up there and hit that level. Okay, so now to kind of zoom in to the more recent action. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Okay, so move my face out of the way. You don't care about that. And right here, what we're seeing is really just consolidation. To me, this is going to be more like what we've seen previously, where we just kind of traded sideways. And I think that that'll be the thing that we're going to see for a little while. Okay, so I think we'll trade sideways between, oops, did not mean to do that. Okay, here we go. So sideways between kind of here and here. And I think that could go on for another couple weeks, maybe a month, maybe 2 months, who knows. But this is bullish. This is bullish because this big breakout right here, and now we're just kind of resting right here. And I doubt it'll break much lower. I bet it'll just kind of trade sideways until it's ready to break out again. So that's what I'm kind of looking at. On GLD, I'm looking to buy around 131. And then that's where you set your risk. If it breaks below 131 or 130, closing below 130, then I kind of want to see it do something else. I'd want to see another entry signal in order to enter in long. So 130 is kind of that near-term support because that's the breakout low that we made right here. Okay, that's the breakout low. It's a huge breakout here. So if we can get into about 130, 131, I think that's a good opportunity. I think that gold is going to head a lot higher than this. Again, you got to be patient with this. Okay, same thing with that last breakout that we saw on gold. I was calling for a breakout, calling for a breakout, calling for a breakout, but it didn't happen until a month after I initially started calling for that breakout. So you got to be patient here, because impatient people would have sold down here for a loss and missed out on this huge, huge move. So again, when you have a big move like this, sometimes you need to rest for a little bit, and that's what I think that gold is doing, and it needs to do because it had a huge move here, and resting is definitely needed. And the more it rests, the more energy it's going to have for that next move higher. So thank you for stopping by here. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions about it, please let me know. Now I'd like to invite you to join our premium membership community. If you like the video that I just shared with you, it's nothing in comparison to what you get when you join our premium membership community. So if you've ever bought and sold trades at the wrong time, you've lost money, or you're not confident about when the right time to get in or out is, don't worry, that's a common theme that I see with all the traders, well, not all, but most of the traders that come to me for help with their trading. Because when you join here, you can instantly reduce your losing trades and get started with the #1 options trading service on the planet. And you're going to finally have the certainty and the confidence to trade with consistent profitability like you've always wanted to do. So scroll down here, you're going to see everything that you get when you join. Most importantly, you're going to get access to the easy to follow real-time trade alerts. And these are sent via text message so that you're going to be able to get these alerts whether you're at work, on the road, at home, at the playground with your kids. You're going to be able to participate, and you're never going to miss out on a breakout opportunity ever again. These are both entries and exits, okay? All in real time. Here are a few recent trade alerts that we sent out to members. If you were a member at that time, you would have been able to profit alongside of us. Scrolling down here, the next thing you're getting access to is the real-time portfolio tracker. This is our way of being 100% completely transparent with you and all of our other members. All of our winning trades, losing trades, break-even trades, everything gets uploaded here to the portfolio tracker, okay? It's also a way for you to see what profitable trading looks like, because a lot of people, they don't really see what profitable trading looks like because maybe you're not actually making money in the market, maybe you're not making consistent money in the market, but you're going to be able to see how these wins and losses add up to equal profitability in the market. Apparently there's a lot of other services out there. This is what my members tell me from other services that they've joined before they came to me for help, that don't track their trades and don't share their results with their members. And plain and simple, that's most likely because they're not getting results. I do get results for myself and my members, and I'm happy to share them with you. Okay. The next thing you get access to is a professional trading watch list. This is going to allow you to come prepared to make money in the market every single day. We don't just throw out alerts to you and hope that you can follow along. 99% of our trades are put on the watch list ahead of time, sometimes days before, sometimes weeks before, so you're well prepared ahead of time to make these trades. The next thing you're getting access to is the exclusive member-only videos. If you've ever wanted to get inside the head of a profitable trader, that's me, this is your opportunity to do that. I'm going to share my insights on the market. I'm going to share my feedback on the trades that we're about to take from the watch list, trades that we have taken, and update you almost weekly with educational content, and I take member video requests as well. It's a very interactive opportunity, and the goal here is to help you learn and grow and become a more confident and profitable trader. The next thing here that you're getting access to is the education library. This is a bonus included when you sign up today. Now, there's a lot of videos that are included in this video library. Kind of the key highlights are the Options Accelerator course, and this is going to bring you up to speed on how to do options the right way. And how do I know that we do options the right way? Well, plain and simple, because we make money in the market. So if we're making money in the market, it has to be the right way, because that is the goal of trading here. The next thing you're getting access to in this library is our main strategy that we use for a lot of our trades here at the Trading Analyst, and that alone is worth 10 times the cost of the membership, because this is a strategy that is simple, easy to use, and extremely profitable. So that alone should be something that you really want to get your hands on. So scroll down here and you're going to see everything that you get when you sign up and you join. The alerts, that's the most important thing. That is how you make money in the market. The real-time portfolio tracker, the watch list, the videos, the educational library, and something that's not listed on here is you're getting almost 24/7 access to me personally to ask me questions and give you feedback on what's going on in the market. And you're always going to be able to access me pretty much any time that I'm not sleeping at night. I'm very responsive, and I really want to help you. So all of that for a total value of $2,395. But for a limited time only, you can get instant access for just $787 for the entire year. Okay, an entire year of the alerts, the watch list, the videos, educational content, access to me for only $787. Okay, that's less than a cup of coffee a day. Okay, if you boil it down to a daily rate, it's less than a cup of coffee a day. So, is a cup of coffee going to make you thousands of dollars in the market? No, but this is, and we've got lots of testimonials to prove that. So the other thing I want to mention too is that we are raising the prices here on the annual membership, actually on all of the memberships, but the annual membership is going up to over $3,000, okay? More than 3 times the current price, okay? So right now, you can get in at $787 before we make those updates later this week. So click this button right here to join, and it's going to take you to the 100% secure checkout page, and all you have to do is, I'm going to move my face out of the way a little bit. All you have to do is enter in your name, your email, your phone number. Make sure this is a valid phone number that you can receive text messages on, because this is how you receive the buy and sell alerts. Enter in a password, choose a password, whatever you want. Enter in your billing information, credit card, security code, expiration date, and then if you want to check out with PayPal, that's totally up to you as well. You can click that button here and then click that button, and it will take you to the 100% secure checkout page for PayPal. Once you do either of those things, you're going to get instant access to everything that I talked about today. Most importantly, you're going to get those real-time trade alerts that are going to finally enable you to make consistent returns in the market. All right? I can't wait to help you out and to see you inside the membership area, and I hope that you make that decision for yourself. All right, guys, look forward to seeing you in there. Have a great rest of your day.